Let's begin from our chapter number 4, Tick Tick Tick. Today's topics are calendar and date formats. There are 12 months in a year. It shows days and dates for all 12 months. Here, January stands for 1, February stands for 2, March stands for 3, April stands for 4, May stands for 5, June stands for 6. July stands for 7, August stands for 8, September stands for 9, October stands for 10, November for 11 and December for 12. Hope all of you know this. Now, this year is a leap year. How you can remember leap year? Always remember the year which is divided by 4 is known as leap year. For example, let's take 2000 divided by 4. 4 5s are 20. 0 0, bring down 0 for the next 0 and write 0. DD MM YY, MM DD YY, YY MM DD. What is this? When you write the date, it has format. We write the date in this format. When you will watch this PPT, it will be on 14th 8 2020. Now write the date in other format such as this. Month is 8, day is 14 and year is 20. Now next pattern is this. 20 for year, 8 for month and 14 for date. Some important points to remember. 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 days. Except month of February, it has 28 days. But when the year is a leap year, it will be 29 days. 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 year consists of 365 days or 366 days when we will add 1 in 365 days. 1 year is equal to 365 days. Now 1 day is equal to 24 hours. You have to remember this. Now make a fist using your hands. Watch the knuckles upside and downwards. Upside all are of 31 days in a month. Now downwards all are of 30 days in a month. Yellow number are of 31 days and blue number are of 30 days, and February is alone because it has 28 days. I find a new idea how to remember 31 days and 30 days. 30 days Jans, where J stands for June, A stands for April, N stands for November, S stands for September. These 30 days consist of 4 months. Means 4 months except other months has 31 days. And except February, it has 28 days. But when a leap year occurs, it has 29 days. Next, how to write date in figures or numbers. If the date is 15/8/2020, so we will write 15 August 2020. If the date of anyone's birthday is 3/6/2010, so we will write like this: 3 June 2010. You can also write as 3rd June. And here you can also write as 15th August. At last, happy Independence Day, all of you. Take care, be safe, bye.